Welcome to my channel Beyond the News. WhatsApp, which is a go-to app for millions of users worldwide, is working on a new update that would make conversations among users more fun. According to Wabatanfo, the new update would allow users to create stickers right within the app. It is currently under development and not yet available to beta testers. This new update would allow users to create stickers from their images quickly. This feature uses iOS 16 APIs to extract a subject right out of an image and then it is automatically converted into a sticker in the app, said Wabatanfo. The sticker tool will be available within the Chat Share action sheet. Users will be able to choose a photo from their gallery, and WhatsApp would provide them with some tools to edit it, including the ability to remove the background. With this feature in the app, users will not have to download third-party apps as they will have a more native experience while making stickers. This tool is available on WhatsApp Web and WhatsApp Desktop. However, iOS users will get additional tools when this feature becomes accessible to them. Subscribe and follow my channel Beyond the News.